action. Okay, so back again. It's been a while since I've done any form of unboxing or anything like that. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been over a year since I've done any unboxing videos. Just simply because things happened. Moved from work, well, still the same job, but we relocated, and I used to do most of the unboxing from there. So yeah, everything kind of changed. We've got a better place at work to do the unboxing, but just haven't used it yet. So today, first one, I decided to try something from TEMU. Yeah, TEMU, because TEMU now have a UK-based warehouse. So basically now they can kind of guarantee next business day deliveries. I think some of them are 2 days as well. So 2 days, 1 day. So I just decided, and plus I saw these scales. Oh, should I say that the scales? Yeah, you can see it. It says it, electronic scale. And they were 50 odd, and then I saw them for £7 and change. Now you always get these things on like Facebook, just prompting you to buy this. Look at this. Look at that. You know, the price is cheap. So let me turn it over. So I thought to myself, too good to be true. I thought £7. I thought, yeah, okay, for a trial, not too bad. I'll just bite the bullet. So these are the scales in question, bathroom scales. They cost me £7 and change. A little USB C cable in there. These are the scales. Now, by the time I think you put 1 foot on there, you've most already covered most of it. That's the bottom. It's tempered glass. The glass seems a bit thin, so when I first step on it, I will be careful. But yeah, it's just a quick unboxing, just to establish that I'm kind of back, and I will be doing more unboxing in the year that I've been away, kind of thing. I bought quite a bit of stuff, but haven't done any unboxing of that stuff, so I can't now do videos of those things because they're already opened and used. It's like this item here, this Ampligame screen. That's one item. That microphone in the last year, this Rode microphone, USB microphone, that's another item. There's several. There's quite a few bits. In fact, the keyboard as well. This keyboard right here by Royal Kludge. Is it Kludge? Yeah, Royal Kludge is the name. So there's been several things which I've missed out on doing unboxings for. Plus I built a new PC as well. I have got footage of that, but I haven't put it together yet. So maybe you could look out for that. You never know. I might do that, put that together. But it's just to let you know that I'm kind of back. Just needed to re-establish, get some things done. But I do intend to do this a lot more again. Plus, I was actually supposed to be in Grenada right now, so I would have been doing another video. It would have been at Christmas, but I didn't go in the end. I just felt that the prices the airfares were just way too ridiculous to justify going, so I didn't go for that one. I should be hopefully going just before or just after Easter, so hopefully I can get some good footage to make some videos there in Grenada again. So that's it for now. As I say, it's just to show you back. I've got my little setup. This is my setup at home, actually, just in case you're thinking this is at work. This is my setup at home. It's just a tabletop, as you can see, but we shall see as we go on. So once again, thank you for sticking with me, and I'll try and make this going forward a lot more interesting on the unboxing side, not just stuff from TEMU. Maybe I'll let you know how I get on with this, but this does seem a bit flimsy. I kind of don't want to have to step on it, but I've got to test it out. But let's say it's tempered glass, so we shall see. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.